Now let's set up the Ondata method for the simple moving average crossover strategy. Ondata runs on every bar. The first thing it does is check that both indicators are ready. Use if not fast, is ready or not slow, is ready, then return. This exits the method early if either average does not yet have enough data. Once both are ready, read their current values. Store fast, current, value in a variable called fastVal. Store slow, current, value in a variable called slowVal. Now detect the crossover. A cross above happens when fastVal is greater than slowVal, and the previous fast was less than or equal to the previous slow. Assign that comparison to a variable called crossAbove. A cross below is the opposite. FastVal is less than slowVal, and the previous fast was greater than or equal to the previous slow. Assign that to cross below. If cross above is true and portfolio SPY, invested is false, call set holdings with SPY and 1 to go fully invested. If cross below is true and portfolio SPY, invested is true, call liquidate to close the position. At the end of every bar, update the tracking variables. Set prevfast to fastval and prevslow to slowval. That is the full Ondata method.